Okay, so this set is called Nice Teacher because as a professional educator, I think that there is merit in providing drop grades for some of our kids. So let's say that we put in a swimmer name here, and our set today is going to be 2050s, holding best average. But I'm going to give a couple of drop grades right off the bat. So I want to give one drop grade to everybody. So I'm going to come in, and the very first 50 that Bud does, he goes a 25.9. Yep. Now, this is going to be listed as a dark red, which is bad because it was our first drop, but it's our only score right now. So as I add more, you'll see the colors change. So let's say his next one, he goes a little slower, 26.3. Then the next one, he goes a little slower, 27.3. And then maybe he gets a little bit faster again, 26.8. And then he gets a little bit faster and he goes 26.2. And then maybe he starts going 25.9s, 25.7, 25.6. Okay, so we've got a couple different colorings here, and these colorings are going to be reflecting on how fast that time is for Bud. Okay, so his slowest one is the darkest red, and then a little bit lighter, and then a little bit lighter, 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 lighter. Okay, so right now his average unweighted is a 26.2, and his average weighted is a 26.0. That's because I gave him this drop grade that no longer factors in the 27.3. Okay. So let's say that maybe Bud's doing a great job during the set today, and he's giving good effort, he's being a good teammate. I want to reward him with more drop points. I'm going to do another checkbox, but I want you to see what happens to the scores here. So when I check, now his weighted average is a 25.9 and his unweighted stays the same. So the unweighted average isn't going to change because we always want to see what was his average overall. But this is where the game comes into play. I want to award and reward my kids for good behaviors, and they can increase technically here, decrease their score and have a faster weighted average. So right now, Bud is ranked number 1. So let's try if we add somebody. Come in here, and he goes at 26.4, 26.3, 27.0, 24.9, 50, 26.3. Okay. More. All right. So his unweighted average is a 26.3. His weighted average is still a 26.3. Let's say that Bud's not being a good guy today in practice, so he doesn't have any drops. So my unweighted average for freeze is going to be a little bit slower, but as I start to give him some drops, now his weighted average becomes faster. So you can see over here on his ranking that Bud is going to be the fastest and have the highest ranking for the unweighted, but freeze has it for the weighted average. So this is a great way that you can kind of, even the playing field to an extent. Obviously, your faster kids are going to have a higher average that is weighted and unweighted. What you can do is you can compare these two, and you can rank your kids based on that. So, what percentage of my kids had the best increase to their score, decrease here to their score, because of those drop grades, that they earned that opportunity. So just another way that you can do this set.